Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 print screen not working issue. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. If any application like Snipping Tool, OneDrive, and Dropbox in process end task one by one. Second method is, press function and print screen key or press Alt and print screen key or Alt, function, and print screen key. Third method, click OneDrive icon, click Help and Settings, click Settings. Click Backup tab. Check automatically save screenshot I capture to OneDrive. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.